Hello, welcome to this channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I prep on a Sunday, which helps me to have a stress-free week. So I'm starting off by going shopping on a Saturday because on a Sunday our shops open at 11, which is pretty late to start my Sunday prepping. So let's go and get that food shopping done.
Okay, I need to get out. Me and my 10 bags, and I'm sure I'm only doing like a little bit of shopping here. So let me take that. What's this? Aldi. Right, that's an Aldi bag itself. I don't want to be like disrespectful and all. Going into Aldi with Tesco's and going into Tesco's with Aldi. Do you know what I mean? That's a bit disrespectful, isn't it? Imagine going into Aldi with a little bag. You know, mate, we can't do that. It's wrong on all levels. We need something that's neutral, like a plain plastic bag. Anyway, let me get myself out of here. Oh.
So for fridge odor, I use a lemon and I just cut it in half and I just place it into the fridge. Morning. So it's Sunday today and I've just finished having a shower. I've made my bed and now what I'm about to do is I'm about to get myself started for my meal prep. Yesterday I went shopping. So yesterday I went food shopping and I went quite late in the night because I find it difficult doing a Sunday shopping and a meal prep. It's just too much. It started to get too much, so I was just like, you know what, the best thing to do now is to do it on a Saturday, and then on Sunday all I need to focus on is getting my meal prep done, and then I can also get to relax with the hubby and the kids. But yeah, anyway, let me go and get myself in the kitchen and we'll get started. So I'm just taking my meats out from the fridge and I'm going to clean my chicken. I'm going to be putting my beef in a pot to boil because I'll be making sadza today, which is a Zimbabwean dish. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Chicken, I will add some cold water. I would add some lemons or limes if I have any, and then I will also add some salt and some malt vinegar. As you can see, my son is very busy in the background, literally emptying my kitchen cabinets, but it's okay, we move along. So yeah, I'm going to just allow my chicken to brine a little bit before I start cleaning it up. I'm now prepping my burgers, which is so simple and easy, and I love making burgers. We have them every other week because my son absolutely loves them. So what I'm going to do is start to season it, and I'm going to just mold them into the burger shapes, pop it into the freezer, and whenever we need it during the week, all I'll need to do is to remove it probably 2 hours beforehand to allow it to defrost, and then all I'm going to do is pop it into the oven, add some chips, and then that's a meal done. I don't have to worry about it. It's nice, simple, easy, and we all love it as a family. I'm just prepping my vegetables for stewed chicken, and I'm doing a Jamaican style stewed chicken. So I'll just be cutting up all my veggies that I will be needing, and then I will start to season the chicken. So now that my chicken is cleaned, I'm just going to be drying it with a paper towel, and then I will start to add my seasoning. The first thing I'm going to be sharing with you is the smoked sea salt, and this smoked sea salt is absolutely delicious on chicken. So I'll be adding a little bit of that onto my chicken, and then I'll be adding my curry powder, which I will be using the Jamaican curry powder. I normally use fresh thyme, but today I'm going to be using some dried thyme for my seasoning and throughout my cooking today. Also adding my green seasoning that I make. If you would like to see this video, I will attach a link somewhere where you can follow the exact recipe for my green seasoning. Going to add some brown sugar, and then I'm going to be adding the vegetables that I chopped up earlier, and I'm just going to give it a really good mix. So I'm just going to be putting this into the fridge to allow it to marinate for about 2 hours because I'll be cooking it later on today. So as I'm busy in the kitchen, my youngest is having a nap and my eldest is busy with his puzzles, and he's been absolutely loving doing these puzzles. It's definitely keeping him occupied. I'm very happy with it. Okay, so I'm actually now prepping dinner, which is sadza, which I told you about. That was the Zimbabwean dish. So I'm just cooking that. So I'm just frying the meat, adding my onions, and I'm just making a beef stew. Very lovely. Sadza is a very tasty dish. So I'll just leave you to it and you can just enjoy this beautiful sadza that I'm making. So for tomorrow's dinner, we'll be making some shrimp egg fried rice. So I'm just prepping my rice. We all know that when making egg fried rice, you need rice that's a day old. So all I'm doing is washing my rice. I'm going to put it into the rice cooker and it's going to be ready for tomorrow. It's now time for me to make my stewed chicken. So I'm just going to allow you to just watch and enjoy this beautiful dish come together. So I'm just cleaning the things that I was using to cook with and meal prep. I do like to clean as I go, so hence why I don't have a lot of dishes that I need to clean. Let me know in the comments below if you're somebody who clean as you go whilst you're cooking, or do you wait till you finish entirely cooking everything and then get to the dishes. Let me know in the comments below. So my rice is done, ready for tomorrow to cook our shrimp fried rice. Honestly, prepping life is the best. Shake it, hey, ooh, go different. We are now getting ready to have dinner, so I'm just prepping my spring greens. I'm going to cook it and then we're going to serve the salsa. Here you can see that my stewed chicken is already done. All I'm going to do is allow it to cool down and I'm going to put it into a glass container and I'm going to store it into the fridge ready for us to eat during the week. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video today and that it's been helpful and motivational as well, so that on Sundays you can prep yourself. As you can hear, the boys are in the background talking. They're about to get ready for bed. So it's around 7:30 at the moment and I am done. I've been up since morning and doing all these bits and bobs, just prepping myself so that during the week I can kind of just chill out, you know. I can relax and be bad and bougie during the week because I've done everything on my Sundays. So Sundays are a big deal and I'm so hyper over it. If you follow me on my Instagram, if you haven't, you should. Follow me on my Instagram. I am always talking about meal prepping. Like it's a thing, hearted. God damn it, I love it. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more of this style of content, do let me know, and remember to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so that you can get more videos from me. But I'll see you next week. Bye.